Hi everyone, I'm SHIRLEY BEKKER.
I'm Ali.
I'm Mark.
We are graduate medic students at the University of Cambridge and we're doing the Cambridge Autocomplete. Let's see. Are Cambridge students allowed to work? That's actually a good question.
We are.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Are you trying to mess up the video?
Yeah.
I think you can work in like the college bar.
And that's, I think, a huge specific thing. At Corpus, you can't even work at the college bar. Some colleges offer like student-run roles and jobs. Most colleges, no work, no money.
Are Cambridge students arrogant?
mean,
I'm so humble.
Does he sound humble?
I never went to Cambridge as an undergrad. Coming here, nobody's really come across as very arrogant.
Some people who I just think like, come on man, this is not what you were like before you came to Cambridge.
Maybe like one or two people.
Who?
I'll tell you later.
Are Cambridge students smart?
Are you smart?
There are different kinds of smart, aren't there? Nobody likes false modesty. People here are smart.
We're keeping that in.
People here are good at learning.
Kind of leads you up to being book smart.
Common sense is different.
Next one.
How Cambridge students?
How Cambridge students study.
Study.
How do we study?
Differently. I think everyone studies differently.
How do you study?
Basically go through the lecture notes and go through the slides, which I found most difficult to understand, and try and focus on them.
I've heard that you make notes and you throw them away.
Yeah. I get nothing, like I don't go back on my notes, it's
That's-
just the process
This
of
is
making
crazy.
the notes.
He makes notes and then throws them away.
I always go back to the source to get the information.
I think I lost books that I've written in and I've cried.
How Cambridge students...
How many Cambridge students died in
What?
World War One?
Yeah,
2,958. I don't
true.
know. I'm just a student. I'm not a guru.
Google it yourself, folks.
Press this button
That's what Google's for.
and find out the answer.
How many Cambridge students get a first?
I think that a lot of people have the perception that everyone here gets a first, and not me. They actually mark scripts so that they form a normal distribution and they make sure that around 30% get a first.
Probably some percentage.
It's not the majority of people.
How many students? Cambridge University.
10 students, Cambridge University.
3.
30 plus 20 plus 100. There are probably tens of thousands of Cambridge students.
There's loads of like postdoc people, PhD students, like people associated with the uni as well.
It's a very big university. A lot of courses are offered here and there are a lot of colleges in short.
How smart are Cambridge students? Smart.
If you're smart enough to subscribe to my channel, I'm sure you could get in as well.
What percentage of Cambridge students
God.
are from state schools?
Ooh.
At least 50%.
50. The majority of students that I meet here are actually state school students.
State school.
That I meet here. State
State
school. You meet, you meet the Eton boy. But I think there's actually a large proportion of state school students. How many exactly? I don't know.
So some courses I'm sure have like a higher proportion.
I think for classics, you like my state school, I think you do Latin or like
Yeah.
ancient Greek as a subject.
That's
so I don't
true.
know how you would do it at university.
My
Go to a state school like
School
that.
barely did English.
You
know?
don't even have to come from like a good state school to come here.
I went
Yeah.
to very, very, very not good state
Yeah,
school.
Me too.
Neighbouring
See in the
schools.
news- Like sometimes I see in the news people who've gone to my school who've like murdered people and are now going to jail for a long time.
And I hung around with them. And now we're here. What percentage of Cambridge students get a first? We've answered this before. I have no bloody idea.
Thanks.
What was the response?
Cambridge students smart. Can
What does it say? Response of... Oh my god. What was the response of Cambridge students to Newton's lectures? Newton?
What?
What?
He was a lecturer at Trinity College.
Oh, ooh, we have a smart one here. What percentage of Cambridge students are black? Well, nigga. Well, what percentage of us are black? When I was an undergrad, I actually looked up this statistic and it was 0.7% when I was an undergrad. Now, big man Stormzy has offered a scholarship to 2 black students per year to give them, I think, £18,000 and pay their student fees. And I think since the introduction of this scholarship, a lot more black students have felt like Cambridge is for them. And I've personally seen an increase in the number of Cambridge students, but I think the percentage has actually tripled. In Natski, I didn't see anyone black. Now in medicine, I can see like quite a few black students actually, 3.
What do Cambridge students wear?
I personally wear my gym clothes every single day to lectures. Some people come in shorts. There's always one guy on a course that comes to lectures in shorts.
Some colleges you have to wear a formal gown to any formal like event or dinner, and then like the gowns vary in length, but depending on how senior you are in your like academic career. First year, I think you have like the shortest gown. Then if you get like a first, you might get a bit more material. If you get a PhD, like
Here or Oxford?
and here as well, I think, and Oxford.
I don't know that because I
Very-
never got a first, so I don't know anything about that. Whatever you want to lectures, formal wear to formals, gowns to formals at some colleges, compulsory. Cool.
Why Cambridge students? Wait, why are Cambridge students called tabs?
What's
oh,
a
like
tab?
cantabs.
What's a cantab?
Cantab is the extension you get to your name when you get a degree from Cambridge. Why we're called cantabs, I do not know, but I like the privilege.
Why do Cambridge students get an MA?
We get an automatic conversion from a BA into an MA. The reason for this, I'm pretty sure, is heavily just attributed to tradition. The work that we do during our MA might be the equivalent work that a lot of people would do also in their fourth year at other universities. We work bloody hard, basically.
It only converts to an MA if you don't get divorced or break the law or something. Is one of the
Really?
conditions.
Yeah, there's like,
Oh.
we have a lot of weird rules at Cambridge if you get a degree. You're legally allowed to walk geese through the town of Cambridge on a leash. And I think it's permission from the Queen.
That's why I came here, actually.
I mean, the day after I graduated, I just got my Jack Duck Goose. Why do Cambridge students wear gowns so that when we walk around, people can tell that we're Cambridge students? Ali?
They're cool. I like gowns.
Yeah, Cambridge gowns and Oxford gowns are just part of our traditions. At Oxford, I believe you have to wear them to exams.
Yes, it's really fun.
That was the last one. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and comment, make sure
Bad idea.
that you...
Run away. Click away from the video.
Add me on Instagram. I want
do it.
followers, please!
Don't do it.
Please! Hi guys, I'm Shirley Bekker and I'm here with two white people. I'm joking. I'm joking. So Shirley, Ali, Mark. I'm gonna keep that in.
Did you stick these on with blue tack?
Tony, stop the one with blue tack. Our Cambridge students smart. No. If you ask me, what is the Einstein of the exponential of the Lund squared? I could tell you that it was two school students and ooh. And ooh. And ooh. Hi everyone, I'm Shirley Bekker. Hi everyone, I'm Shirley
I'm
Bekker.
Ali.
Hi everyone, I'm
Ali.
Thank you so much for watching.
How did you make it
Make
this
sure
far
that
looking
you
at her
subscribe.
mug?
And make sure, I can't even focus. I get distracted so easily. Make sure you
Don't do it.
Imagine it wasn't recording the whole time.